I asked cleaning business owners a simple question on my Facebook group. Specifically, what is the best marketing that you are doing right now in 2026? I'm going to show you what they said in just a second, and I'm also going to show you what I said and what I've seen from the hundreds of cleaning companies that I've been working with. So let's get right into it. Which one is working better? Google Ads, Facebook ads? You see the list right here. So we'll just kind of look at the comments and then I'll tell you what I have seen. And let's make sure we're looking at all the comments here. Repeat follow-ups, SEO. We did some consulting with Alex and he's really been doing well with SEO in his company. LSA, and that's one of the ones on the list, but it can be very expensive. And the thing that you have to know is there's a lot of ins and outs for each media. So you need to know, is it more expensive and does it bring a better quality lead? That's the difference between Facebook ads and Google ads. Facebook ads are cheaper, but they can bring a lesser quality lead and a lot of messaging back and forth and that type of thing. Google ads, SEO can be really good, but LSA can be good too. Expensive though. Client texting and email and postcards, yes, that's definitely one of the top. LSA, saying LSA's never worked. AdWords, yes, AdWords is definitely on the top of the list. Google with high intent and Meta, this is great information right here. Meta being Facebook ads, not as high of intent. However, it depends on how you do it. All of this stuff, there's no one answer for everything, but it definitely totally depends on how you do it. And then, having a great website and making sure your SEO is in line for sure. Google ads for sure. But here's what I've seen. And not only, from the people that I talked to on Facebook about this, but what I've seen day in and day out over the last 6 months or so for my coaching clients, and the people that I work with and talk to regularly. First and foremost, guys, past client marketing. I can't stress enough that you need to be doing 3 things. Sending a postcard in the mail, sending text messages every couple of months, every maybe 2 or 3 months, and sending emails every other week. That needs to be done for everybody that's done business with you. Not just some people get a postcard, but everybody that you've done business with the last 2 or 3 years should be getting a postcard at least every 2 or 3 months. Everybody should be getting a text message about that same amount of time. And everybody that gave you their email address should be getting an email from you. When you do that, some people are going to interact with you better off of one media. But the great thing is you have the trifecta of hitting them with all different levels so they don't forget about you. That's the big thing, guys. In the cleaning business, your clients sometimes love you, but they quickly forget about you because they've got just life going on. So after you do client marketing and retain your clients, get referrals from the clients, and here's the other thing that we often forget about, educating them about the different services that we do leads to more jobs. Maybe you clean carpet for them. Well, give them information about what you do for hardwood refinishing or refurbishing or tile cleaning or upholstery cleaning so that they'll get other cleaning services done. But from there, after client marketing, Google and search marketing is great because that's where people go to look for cleaning companies. So LSA, probably even better than that, Google ads and SEO, really kind of about the same playing field there. From there, we'll probably talk about maybe Facebook ads. Sometimes different services can work good with Facebook ads, but you got to remember, Facebook ads, you've got people that are hanging out in a social environment. You're walking up to them and going, hey, I got some carpet cleaning or I got some maid service for you. And they look at you like you're an alien because they're hanging out on a social platform, not necessarily wanting carpet cleaning right then. But if it's a good enough offer, if you've got a low buy-in, then they're willing to come in and talk to you about that. So keep that with a grain of salt. Typically, I see Google ads work better day in and day out, but Facebook ads can work. LSA, neighborhood advertising, neighborhood postcards. Combine that with a good local ad with Google ads, maybe even Facebook ads, and then it can work really, really well. And then, of course, referrals and sprucing up referrals from past clients is a great thing to do to be able to get more business coming in. So what else? What did I miss? I'm sure there's lots of other marketing out there. Again, these are the things that I see work most day in and day out. There are other sources out there. I know guys that are still doing great with newspaper. Believe it or not, with radio. You have to make sure those things are done the right way. Sometimes they're a little bit of a different animal. But let me know what's working great for you. I'm always interested. If you need help growing your cleaning business, click the link below. I'd love to help you. I've got 2 different coaching programs, one my group coaching program, and also one-on-one coaching if you need it. I'll put the links right below this video. Let me know how I can help.